Did you know that you could use your life insurance policy to eliminate your debts without relying on banks or loans? Yes, that is possible. And so today in this video, we're going to dive into something that is truly powerful. A financial tool that is quietly transforming the way that women deal with debt. And so imagine breaking free from the cycle of financial stress and stepping into true wealth creation. And so today I'm going to break down how cash value life insurance can help you crush and eliminate debt once and for all. Okay? And so if you are new to me or to the channel, my name is Katrice, and I am a licensed health and life insurance broker, a paralegal, and your wealth architect. And I help women entrepreneurs and professionals to grow, protect, and secure their finances and to build a financial legacy that they can be proud of. All right. So first things first, let's talk about what exactly is cash value life insurance. And so if you've been watching the channel for any amount of time, I always talk about life insurance. But unlike term life insurance, which covers you for a specific period, cash value policies like whole life, universal life, and index universal life, they build wealth over time. And so you can think of it as an insurance policy plus a savings account, okay? And so whole life is guaranteed returns, fixed premiums, and consistent growth, while universal life is flexible premiums, adjustable coverage, and interest accumulation. An index universal life is linked to market indexes with potential for significant tax advantage growth, okay? And so the cash portion accumulates tax deferred, giving you an accessible resource that grows right alongside your life, okay? And so how does it work? How does cash value accumulation work? And so the real magic is that every premium payment that you make, it isn't just paying for your protection. It builds cash value. So part of it goes towards your life insurance coverage, making sure that your life insurance coverage stays active. And the other part of it goes towards building cash value, okay? And so over time, this money grows and it compounds, okay? Through compounding interest, which is really the secret sauce, okay? It creates like a savings of accessible funds, okay? It's like kind of like a savings account, okay? Now I do have a full video on cash accumulation, how it works, and so I will put that here so that you can check it out, okay? If you want to go more in depth on cash value accumulation, okay? So once the money grows, you can borrow against the cash value at favorable interest rates, which are way lower than credit cards or personal loans. And because it is your money, there's no credit check, there's no approval process or reporting to the credit bureau, okay? And so essentially, you are becoming your own banker, which shifts control from external lenders to you, okay? And so that's the great thing about life insurance, is that whole life or cash value life insurance, permanent life insurance, it all means the same. But that's the beauty of it, is that it's more than just life and death benefit, okay? It has living benefit to it as well, okay? All right, so now let's talk about how exactly you can leverage the cash value in your life insurance to eliminate your debt, okay? So the first thing is you want to identify your high interest debt, okay? So that would be things like credit cards and personal loans. And so then you borrow from your policy's cash value to pay off these debts completely. Okay? And so then you redirect the money you were previously paying to creditors back into your policy to replenish your cash value faster. Okay? Now this cycle, it reduces your overall interest payments, eliminate debts quickly, and keeps your financial growth in your own hands. Okay, so let me know in the comments, have you heard of using life insurance to eliminate debt? Okay, let me know in the comments, or if this is like something brand new being that you're learning about through this video. Now this cycle, when you utilize your cash value this way, it reduces your overall interest payments, eliminates your debt quickly, and then keeps your financial growth in your own hands. Okay? And so let's put this into context with a quick example. Okay? So let's just say, imagine Lisa, and this is just an example. So Lisa, okay, that's her name. And she's a successful entrepreneur, but she has $15,000 in credit card debt at a 22% interest rate, which is pretty high, okay? And so she has $20,000 in cash value accumulated in her whole life insurance policy. And so she borrows against her policy at a 5% interest rate and pays off the credit card debt instantly. And then she redirects that $500 monthly payment previously going to her credit card into replenishing her cash value. Okay? And so she's saving herself $1,000 in interest, paying herself back instead of the bank, and achieving financial freedom sooner. Okay? And so here's why cash value life insurance can be your ultimate financial ally against debt. Okay? 1, immediate debt relief and lower interest costs. Okay? There's no damaging credit inquiries or approvals. Flexible repayment terms, and you pay yourself back at your own pace. And it's continued growth of your money even as you borrow against it. Okay? Now, just a quick note, this strategy requires discipline and planning. Okay? Now you must stay committed to paying yourself back. Also, you have to be aware of any policy fees and ensure that this strategy aligns with your long-term financial goals. And so you do want to work with a financial professional to make sure that if you're going to utilize your life insurance cash value to pay off your debt, that it does align with your goals. Okay? This is not something that you want to do all willy-nilly, just out and, with no guidance. Okay? All right. And so that is what I have for you with this. This was just a little introduction. In future videos, I will go more in depth with this, but I just wanted to get this out because this is a topic. This is something that is not discussed enough. People talk about cash value and how you can use cash value, and if you have debt and you want to pay that debt off quickly, then this is a way that you can pay that debt off quickly while still accumulating cash with your policy. Okay, so if you have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. My goal is to always provide practical, actionable financial advice to help you to take control of your finances and your future. Okay? And so if this video provided you with tremendous value, then give it a like and share it out with your business bestie or your water cooler homegirl who needs to hear this message. And also subscribe if you want to continue to learn how to grow, protect, and secure your money. And don't forget to check the description of this video for additional tools and resources if you want more guidance outside of the content that I provide on this channel. Okay, now if you would like to book a free complimentary consultation with me to discuss debt elimination using life insurance, or if you would like to discuss any other insurance needs, then you can do so using the link in the description of this video. Okay, and so remember, the way to secure your financial future is to protect it now, because tomorrow is not promised. All right, have a good one.